Hi everyone, welcome to the course and let's start with the props. State was a very important topic of your React because all thing we do in React is the state management. Now with state management, it is not possible that every time we are using a single component. It might be possible that we have one parent component and we are passing our data with the child component. So just to see that how we can do that things, let's introduce props over here. So props basically means is the properties. That means you have a parent component and you want to get something of the parent to the child. So for that you will be using parent properties to the children properties, just like your inheritance. So now let's start and see how we can do that. So for that thing, let's see, I want to get to this, or let's set to this responsive so that it is much better. Okay. So let's have one more component which is parent component. Why I am naming it parent and children component? So that it will be more understandable to you. Okay, and let's suppose I want to have a child component over here. Okay, to this parent component, write RAFCE. This is there, and to children element, do the same thing. So this parent element, let's have something over here. Let's suppose I want to add some kind of details to this parent component. For example, I want to have something called books detail, book name. Okay, there is a book name called the Monk. Okay, this is a book name called Monk, and now let's say I want to add price of this book also. So I want to have a const book price is equals to 5,000. Okay, so I want to use this book name. I want to use this book name and price name to children component. So how I will do that? See, you will write in here, use your children component, use your child component. So in here, what do I want to use? I want to use H1 for the book name, this as it is here, this. Okay, and close it. Yes, you will not be able to say it, but let me just tell you how this is working. Now book price. Okay, the second thing which we have used of the parent component. See, the parent component is having this and the children component is also using it, but you want to pass it from here to this your children component. You want to display your children component inside your parent component, and the details of the parent component you want to pass it to the children component, and you just need to put your name is equals to whatever your book name is. So you will be passing the exact name over here, and this price is going to be your price over here, which your book price name, and just close your component over here. Now let's come to this thing. How we will do is you will pass the props. That means you want to pass this particular properties to here. So how you will write over here? Now you can remove it. Okay, write your props dot name and props dot your price. Okay, whatever I have used it. So now let's see successfully your children component is printing the value of your parent component. So even if you want to increase the font size, So I will increase font. To increase the font size, you go with text, that is 20 pixel, and or you can just add your given one, that is I want to go with 2XL. Okay, and to this just go with text center so that it will be in the center, and from Y just go with top. So you can see that the value is successfully printing on the screen. Okay, so I hope you have understood props, that how props work, and try to do it by your own by creating some examples and correctly practicing your assignments. Thank you so much, everyone.